If you want MSN to open automatically every time you launch Chrome, this tutorial will show you exactly how to make msn.com your homepage on a Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want quick access to news, weather, sports, and your personalized MSN feed the moment you open your browser. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings menu, where you can change a variety of browser options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see several categories. Find and click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome does every time it opens. Now, look for the option that says Open a specific set of pages. Select that option so Chrome knows you want a custom page to load when the browser starts. After that, click Add a new page. A small window will appear where you can enter the website address you want Chrome to open automatically. In the box, type https://www.msn.com, exactly as shown. Make sure the URL is entered correctly so Chrome can load the MSN homepage without any issues. Once you've entered the address, click Add. That's it. MSN is now set as one of your startup pages in Chrome. From now on, whenever you open Chrome, it will launch directly to MSN, giving you instant access to the content you want right away. If you ever want to change it later, you can come back to the On Startup settings and edit or remove the page at any time. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.